So here's the last example of cosine rule, example number 5. So I'm going to give you a triangle with an obtuse angle in. Shouldn't really matter. So again, we're finding x. It's going to be an angle. Remember, these are not to scale. Draw along as you go, pencil, ruler, be neat. As always, you get fed of me hearing me say that, but I'm going to keep saying it. And this time we'll have C, B, and A. Our x is this angle here. The obtuse one, we've got 5.8 centimetres here, 13.5 centimetres here, and 9.1 centimetres on this side. So again, we're still trying to find the angle. Notice we've got all three lengths, which we've mentioned in the last video. That's a big clue to using cosine rule to find the angle. And we're just going to go straight in with the rearranged form, which is cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. Now, something that's worth mentioning when you're trying to remember this formula, similar with the cosine rule in its normal form, this angle here will always match the subtraction of its corresponding length there. And then the B's and the C's, the other lengths, are the other sides in the question. These two here, obviously, on the same here. So as long as cos of the angle you're looking for matches the length that you're subtracting squared at the end, and the other lengths go around, then you should be in a good position. So here, because I've got C as the unknown, I'm actually going to use cos C and change the formula slightly to account for that. Let's label our triangle. Opposite big C, little c. Opposite capital B, little b. And opposite angle A, capital A, little a. So label up. But because I'm looking for C in this question, because it's the X is with the C, in this case the angle at C, I'm going to change this formula slightly to cos C, capital C. So that means these two lengths are the other two lengths. Subtract the length associated with the angle that you're looking for. So see how these two tie in with each other. So that's a good way of remembering it. All over 2 and the other two sides 2AB. And then I can sub in, it's all labelled up nice and neat. So cos of the angle C, which is X, equals A squared, which is 5.8 squared, plus B squared, which is 9.1 squared, minus C squared, which is 13.5 squared, all over 2AB, which is 2 times 5.8 times 9.1. This time I'm going to put this straight into my calculator all in one go. You can do the steps if you want. Make sure you understand what steps are happening if you do choose to skip. So minus 235 over 377. Don't worry about the fact that it's negative. That can happen here. Oops, sorry. And then inverse cos minus 1, both sides. So it's 235. And again, I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to go sideways, keep going down the page. So shift cos ants on the calculator, 128.56, etc., etc. And this will be 128.6 degrees to 1 decimal place. So the main thing to take from this video, it's a different letter, as long as they match up, and the other two lengths go in the other part of the formula, then it will work no matter what the letter is. Always try and get the one that you are trying to find as the subject in here to match with this here. Thank you.